How to create a food product manipulation in Photoshop. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're ready, let's get started. To start, click on New File and create a document with your preferred size, then hit Create. Next, go to Adjustments, select Solid Color, pick a vibrant orange and click OK. Now, drag and drop your pattern into the Photoshop file, resize it to cover the whole canvas. Change the layer mode to soft light and lower the opacity just a bit. Now let's add a gradient adjustment layer. Switch the gradient type to radial so it appears circular. Set the gradient color to yellow and hit OK. Increase the scale so it covers more space. This gives a nice balance to the background. Now let's bring in our product. I'm using a food item here. Resize it and place it where you want it to look best. To add a shadow, create a new layer on the product. Grab your brush tool with low opacity, adjust the angle. Click under the product to create a soft, natural shadow. If it looks too strong, just lower the opacity a little. Time to make our product really pop. Add a level adjustment layer. Hold Alt and click on the product layer to clip it. This makes sure that changes affect only the product. Click the mask layer. Press Ctrl I to invert it. And with a soft white brush, paint the areas where you want the adjustments to show. Next, add a curved adjustment layer and do the same. This will make the colors and lighting balance and the product stand out nicely. Add another levels adjustment layer for the highlights and the brightness adjustments to fine tone. Select all product layers and press Ctrl G to group them. Don't forget to save your file to prevent losing your work if something goes wrong. Duplicate the group if you want. Adjust size, angle, and placement based on your layout ideas. Grab the Type tool and add your main title. Hold Alt to duplicate if you want multiple text layers. Adjust the fonts and size, but remember using more than 2 fonts can make it look messy. Keep it clean and professional. To draw the viewer's attention, create some subtle color contrast, add a new layer and use a white brush with low opacity in the center. Switch the brush to yellow, then orange and paint other important areas. Change the title font to italic and play with placement and size until it looks perfect. Now let's add some extra elements to make the design lively. If the client requests detail like discounts or other promotional info, place them where they stand out but still look clean. If the background feels a bit flat, tweak the colors to give it a richer, more engaging look. Use a rectangle tool to draw a rounded rectangle at the bottom. Fill it with green to give a positive vibe and type in your text. All remaining elements to give us some floating effect. Apply motion blur via filter, blur, motion blur, adjust the amount as needed and repeat for each element. Add a curved adjustment layer at the top to boost contrast and give the design a polished, professional finish. And that's it. A fully professional food product manipulation in Photoshop. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Photoshop tips and tutorials right here on Zeezad.